Okay, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we are going to talk about the Google Pixel 9a. According to reports that we are getting, Google is going to be releasing their latest flagship soon, though the date is not yet cleared. But one good thing that we heard about this flagship is that it's going to come with a lot of AI features. We are going to have a lot of AI enhancements to us it, like personal assistance, call management, and even AI enhanced camera and videography, which is big thing. But we are not surprised because we know that most of the devices being produced now are coming with a lot of enhanced AI. But another thing that we heard is about the design. We heard that the camera setup it's not going to be landscape the way it used to be before, just like you can see it on the screen now, but it's going to be a little bit slimmer and a little bit smaller, which is a very good thing because I think Google believe that it's not about the camera size, it's about the camera, it's about the hardware of the camera and the software that powers it. So that is why they are going for a smaller camera, which I think is impressive. Though we are going to talk about the processor we heard that is going to come with Google's Tensor G4 chipset and 8 GB of RAM. So it's going to make it to be more efficient, to be more faster, and to be more enjoyable in general. It's going to give a very nice experience. And also for the storage, we heard that the storage will determine the price. According to reports that we are getting, the first is going to come with 128 GB of RAM and is going to be priced at $499. And the second one is going to be 256 GB and is going to price at $599. So the next thing that we want to talk about is the design and the display. According to reports that we are getting, the display size is going to be 3.6 inches display with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. One good thing about this is that the screen is anticipated to offer a peak brightness of 2700 nits. And for the camera system, the Pixel 9a is rumored to house a 40 megapixel main sensor alongside 13 megapixel ultra wide range, but it's not going to have 3 zoom or telephoto camera like that of Samsung and that of Apple products. And for the front camera, we heard that it's going to come with 13 megapixel front selfie camera. And for the battery capacity, is expected to be between 5,000 and 5,100 milliamp hour of battery, and it's going to be a single charge with a 23 watts wired charging with 7.5 wireless charging. So for the operating system, we all heard that it's going to come with Android 15 out of the box. According to rumor, it will be built with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and which will enhance the durability. Then according to reports, we heard that it's going to be released 2025. So let's see how it goes. And if you like this video and anything about tech, I want you to hit the like button, comment, and share. See you in my next video.